Good morning to all. I am Vivek. Once again welcoming you all in my channel named GIS and Research. As you know, in my previous 3 episodes I have explained detail about the description and definition of Sankey diagram and various components of Sankey diagram. Then in second video I have shown that various case study related to Sankey diagram article and research paper which have used Sankey diagram, and thereafter I have shown that in the third episode I have shown the online demonstration of the creation of Sankey diagram. So we have seen that how to generate online database. We have used that coronavirus spreading data worldwide is spreading data. We have utilized for our Sankey diagram, for the creation of our Sankey diagram. So in this episode I am going to explain Sankey diagram, how to create Sankey diagram using Google Chat. So this is different from previous episode because in last episode we have used AmChat. Now in this episode I am going to use Google Chat. So using Google Chat, how we are going to create Sankey diagram, that we are going to see. So before starting today's slide, Before starting today's slide, I am requesting to all those friends who are new to my channel that before watching this episode, please have a look on our previous 3 episodes, because if you look on our previous 3 episodes, you will understand the basics of Sankey diagram and how it is implemented in various research fields. That also you will understand, and then components of Sankey diagram also you will understand. And in the last third episode I have explained little about Sankey diagram creation, online creation of Sankey diagram using coronavirus data. So you will have a little glance over Sankey diagram. So friend, let's start today's today's episode. So here, before starting today's episode, here I have given the previous episode summary. So where I have explained that Sankey diagram, online searching and finding data, we visited that Worldometer coronavirus related data we have searched, and then we fixed the number of parameters. What are the parameters we are going to use for Sankey diagram, that we fixed through that website. Then after that we copy pasted in Excel, then we fixed that parameter. Then after that we did that online demonstration of Sankey diagram. So today what we are going to do, today's episode is explaining the Sankey diagram's various component in Google Chat. So in Google Chat website we will go that online, we will go and see, we will search that. Then we will see that what are the details has been given on Google Chat website. Then we will understand the land use change dataset in Excel. So I am having one land use land cover change dataset that I will show in my Excel. Then we will try to understand what is that. Then in third, creation of Sankey diagram using Google Chat. Then using that data we are going to create a Sankey diagram in Google Chat. So after that, customizing the chart with various color change. So after that we will customize our Sankey diagram using Google Chat. So we'll let's have a look on our today's episode. We'll directly go to Sankey diagram in Google. First we will go to Google, then we'll type simply Google Charts. Then after Google Chart we will go to Google Developer. So here we are having details. So here what we have to go, in HTML5 and SVG. Here HTML5 and SVG, here in chart type. In chart type you have to go down, and here it is Sankey diagram. So if you click in Sankey diagram, this details has been given here. So what are the details? Coding everything given. So what you need to do, you have to just modify the codes. No need to have prior knowledge of programming. So we'll edit these codes and we will put our data inside this code, and also we will change that color also. I will show each and everything one by one. So first we will see that how to create Sankey diagram using Google Chat. So if you see in this here A, B and X, Y, Z, 3 parameters they have taken. So for the 3 parameter data is over here. So here is a simple diagram. A simple Sankey diagram is given over here. Now here it is the multiple Sankey diagram where a lot of country name it is given. So after that they change the color over here. So this is the color code change for using this code you can change your color. So this is the code. So now after that if you want to change your style, so here also you can change. Then different styles are given, then font style also you can change. So everything you can change here as they are given. So as we are going to do our Sankey diagram multi-level, so our parameters are multi-parameters, so not one or two single parameters. So we are going to see with this multi-level Sankey diagram. So what we will do, we will just copy this whole code. Just copy. Sorry, here you can directly copy. Here code is copy option is there. So just copy this. So here it is showing it is copied. Now what you have to do, just go to new, then create a text file. Sankey multi-level Now just click and open it and just paste it over here. This is the code for multi-level Sankey diagram. Now what you have to do, just change this txt format into HTML. So here it is asking, we want to change, yes we want to change. Now if you click here, it will show a Sankey diagram like this, so which is given over here. Now if you, after changing the color, they have shown that this is changed, so we will change the color also, we will see one by one. Now this is the thing over here. Now what we can do, here we need to put our data. So what is our data? So let's have a look on our data. So here I am already having a land use land cover change data which I created. So we will see on that. So here what is given, 2011 land use land cover change in area we have given that 10%. Then in 2015 this side it is there. So what is the changes happening between these two here? So if we see built up to built up, there is a very little change, only less than 5% change is happening. So here if you see in agriculture 94% more or less same, and the remaining 6% is changed. So like that it is given over here. Same way here also we have seen from 2015, as we finished here 2015, so here we are continuing that 2015 to 2019. So here also same thing. So full land use land cover change data given over here. So how we are going to implement this data on Sankey diagram, that we are going to see. So first we are going to write this one, then we will write this one. So one by one we will see. So first what we need to go, we need to do here, first we need to fix our parameter. So first we will delete that Brazil, then we will put built up. First we will put built up, then we will put agriculture, then we will put forest. So it is the 2010, right? This is the land use cover or land use land cover of 2010. So we will write 2010. Each and everything we will write 2010. Your forest is over. Now after that, so here just we copied that all built up here. Now from built up, so we'll minimize the window, we'll focus on our Excel data, so that we can type easily, you can see that easily. So here if you see, here in Excel we have to focus, type this data over here. Now just do this. Okay, now from built up to built up, now from built up to built up, now from built up to agree 0.95, built up to agree, so 0.95. Now from built up to water bottle 0.21, so here 0.21, sorry, this is built up to forest, so you have to focus on forest. 1.48 built up to forest, so 1.48, okay. Now from built up to scrubland, so here is the built up, here is the scrubland, so 0.84, 0.84. Now from built up to water bodies, so where is the built up to water bodies? It is here, built up to water bodies 1.40, so 1.40. Now built up to wasteland, built up to wasteland 1.40, so this is also 1.40. Sorry, built up to water bodies, it is here 0.21, 0.21, right? Now here built up to wasteland, so built up to wasteland 1.40, so this we need to change, 1.40. So like this you need to prepare for all. So here what we have seen, from built up to built up it is 95.12, then from built up to agree it is 0.95, then from built up to water bodies, built up to water bodies, if you see it is here, built up to water bodies 0.21, then from built up to forest, so it is here, built up to forest 1.48, so here 1.48. From built up to wasteland, so that is built up to wasteland, so 1.40 is here. Then built up to scrubland 0.84, so built up to scrubland 0.84. So this is the thing, comma, like that you have to do for all parameters. So we will do that for all parameters. So friends, here I have typed 2011 to 2015 land use land cover, whole land use land cover. Here you can see from built up to agriculture, like that. Here full built up, from built up to many other classes conversion. Then from agriculture to other classes conversion, like that I have written all the things. So after that writing those things, just simply what you do, just save it and just minimize it and go to that file sankey.html and just double click on it. Then you have a simple Sankey diagram over here, as you can see. Scrubland to scrubland it is 93, so you see built up, so built up to built up it is like this. So built up to wasteland it is converting, so this like this only. So if you see 2015, from here water bodies to built up, then there is scrubland to built up, agriculture to built up, so it is like this. So here details has been given, so like this we need to prepare another year. So here 2011 to 2015 we have given, so which is given over here in Excel, 2011 to 2015, which is here 2015. So now we are going to see 2015 to 2019, here it is given. So this also we will type, then finally we will change the color. Now we are going to type this data over here. So that is the same procedure which you have followed before. So just put comma and start typing. So here we start from the beginning. So for example, we have created for build up. So just copy the build up, just copy and paste it over here, paste it over here. So what we have to do, just change the year. 15 to 19. So that's why I need to change this. 15 to here, 15 to 19. So need to change this one as well. Now, so from here it is starting another year. So from 2015 to 2019. Now here we are focusing. Now if you see here in data, in our data, so from built up 2015 to built up. So from 2015 built up to built up, how much? 97.26. So here we will type 97.26 like that. 97. So built up to agriculture, how much? 0.65. Now here built up to forest. So built up to forest 1.05. And again built up to scrubland, so 0.25. And again built up to water bodies, how much? Built up to water bodies, how much? Built up to water bodies here 0.2. Then built up to westland, it is here 0.59. So 0.59. So here we have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 parameter it is over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from built up to built up 97, as you can see here. So built up to agriculture, so built up to agriculture 0.65 it is here. Built up to for water body, built up to water body, if you see it is here 0.2. So built up to water body 0.2. Then built up to forest, you see built up to forest it is 1.05. So here it is 1.05. Then built up to westland, so built up to westland, if you see here built up to westland 0.59. So built up to westland 0.59. So like that we have to type again like this type. Okay, so what we will do, we will copy this again and we will paste it over here. Now just we will change the build up. We will type agriculture. So we have to change only build up. So just change this. Okay. After that we need to change this data. So what we will do, agree to build up, how much? 113. So 1.13. So here 1.13. After that it is agriculture to agriculture, so it will be 92.39. After that 92.39. after that built agriculture to forest. So here what we will do, build up to build up is over, built up to agree to agree it is over. Then agree to water body, what we will change this so it will be easy to type. And after that waterwood is after that forest, so here we will forest. After that wasteland, so here we will type wasteland. Then wasteland, then here we will put scrubland. So first is built up, then agriculture, then water body, then forest, then wasteland, then scrubland. So it will be easy to type by continuously you can type. So here 92.39, after that 0.48, after that 0.58, after that 1.57, then 3.5. So here, so now what we will do, I will copy this, sorry, I will copy this, then just paste it over here to make a gap so that we will understand different parameter. Now here what we will change, this agriculture with water bodies. So now water bodies change use. So like that we have to type. Here I have typed all the things, so you can see that 15 to 2019 all parameters are here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 parameters. So we will save it. Then we will run once again. We'll see what is going to happen. So here internet is the problem. So as you can see, different year I have given. So you can see here all the things over here. You can see. So 2011 to 15, then 15 to 19. So this is the scenario. This is the diagram for that. So now we'll change the color of each node. So for that, we'll copy this code over here. So here is the code. So what we'll do, we'll copy this code, or directly you can copy from here also. Now we'll go to our code section. In here we are having variable option. Sorry. Yeah. So here already I typed over here that color code. So that color code we can modify, but here number of things as we have copied our previous one. So there we are having almost 15 parameters, 15 countries name. So that's why here 15 colors is present over here. So in our case it is not like that. So we'll change this color code. If you see that our color may also change, you see that, you can see that our color has been changed. Now as we are having only 6 parameters, so we will only put 6 colors. So first color what we can put, first color, as our variable is built up, so it is represented by red color, so we'll put red. Then agree is mainly green color. Then if you see it is
is forest, so it is dark green. Trouble to see. Agree, then not use time, so whatever the blue color. We'll see using these colors that is coming. So just save it. So you can see that red color built up we have given, then green color. Then you can see that how it is changed. So that's all for today's session. You can see that. But if you want to change each and every node, then you have to type for each and every node. So for example, if the build up is 2015 to 2005, so 2015 to 2005, that code first two color, so we have to put first two color. So red and green will be that two color. So here what we have given first one, built up to built up. So here built up to built up. So built up 2011 one variable, built up 2015 another variable. So this is two variable. So this two variable will take two different colors. So if you start from beginning, so built up red is first one, then it will take another one. So red and green combination it will take automatically by default. So if we type for example, we are having 1 2 3, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, so here 6, then here 6, here 6, so total 18 variable we are having. So we have to put 18 color, then we can modify each and every variable color based upon that. So we have to type 18 color, otherwise that color will come like this. If you want to change a particular variable color, then we have to put 18 color. So for example, we have only kept over here 1 2 3 4 5 6 color only. So we have to, and this one we have to write more colors over here. So for that, what you have to do, just go to HTML color code and just copy and paste these things. Just copy and paste it. Copy and paste it within. So here again, if you want, you can give this dark red, can give over here. So again, if you want, you can give this deep pink. So give deep pink over here. Again our variable is 16 now, so another 3. Sorry, our variable is 18, so another 5. So here we will take aqua put over here, so still blue can take, still blue. Medium blue, so total how many colors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, total 18 colors. So just to save it, and we will have a different color for each variable. So as you can see that different color for each variable. So how these colors are taking place over in this particular variable, that I will explain it. So for example, if you see, here is on our first object, what is that first variable? Built up 2011. So here built up 2011. So here we have given red color, so it is assigning red. After that we have given green color, so that green color is 2015. So this going to over here. So like that it is taking. If you see here built up 2011, so it is already assigned 2011 in red, but in agriculture 2015 it is not assigned, so it will take that next color, after that dark green. So if you see, it is taking dark green. So like that, if you see another, we can see that, so built up to forest, so after that next color it will take dark green. After that, what is that? Blue. So forest will take blue. So like that it is taking each and every variable. So once it is that color declared, it will not take that color, then it will take next new variable color. So for example, forest is over, so after that built up already we assigned as red, scrubland we did not assign. So what will happen? It will take the next color, which is Indian red. So it will take Indian red. So this is Indian red color. So like that it will assign automatically, so that you will have understanding how to change the respective individual variable color, how to change that. So you will have a better understanding. So like that you need to modify the color code. So this is the coding for today's session. I think it is very useful for all research scholar and those who are new to GIS. It's very easy, no need to have prior programming language knowledge. So it's like just copy pasting and changing the code. It's very easy to do. There is no need of high level of talent. It's very easy, anybody can do this. Okay, so it's very easy. So that's all for today's session, guys. If you really like our video, please do subscribe and like our channel. Also don't forget to press the bell icon to get update of our next video. Thank you friends, have a good day.